morning, traders. We're trading the 147 put options on Amazon.com. 325 was the low, 540 was the high. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. You can see the resistance line right here going across, and you can see the big drop down to 140, and now we are rebounding to 142. How to trade the put options, how to get paid intraday, selling short, Amazon. Jeff Bezos, the co-founder, as everyone knows, he's been selling shares today. He's been unloading and selling shares of Amazon, and that's exactly what's going on. So learn how to trade it, learn how to profit from it, learn how to identify the reversal trends, then the support to resistance, get paid, sign up for the free 5-day trial, subscribe to that YouTube channel. In the comment section, make comments about stocks you own. Let us power you into the year-end rally. Happy Thanksgiving.